Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you everything about my nighttime routine. But before we go into that, I want to give you a little introduction about my routine and why I do what I do. So for me personally, instead of using multiple skincare products on my skin at once, I use very few products but very targeted. Okay, very targeted to my face needs. Now, when you are creating a routine for yourself, whether your face routine or your body routine, I need you to check your skin. What does your skin want? What is your complexion? What is your skin type? Like, what is your skin issue? Are you having dark spots? Are you having acne, hyperpigmentation? What is your skin issue? It is when you know your skin, then you can now build your routine around it. This face routine you are watching, I want you to watch it from the aspect of looking at how I arrange my routines, how I use my products. Then you are going to replace your products with my products, because I'm not making this video so you are going to use the exact products I use, because we might not have the same issues, we might not have the same skin type. Okay, so you might use my product and it will not work for you, but if you use my routine, it is going to work for you. My nighttime routine is in two sections. The first section is for healing and repair. The second section is for brightening and moisturization, basically. So the first section is few days in a week where I take out those 3 nights to heal my skin, to repair my skin. Then the other night is when I do brightening. That is, I repair my skin from acne, and then the other night I brighten dark spots, because once you have acne and pimples, we obviously have dark spots. So that's why my nighttime routine is in 2. And I don't do anything repair or brighten in the daytime. Everything that concerns my skincare routine that has to do with brightening, that has to do with repair, replenishing, and all of that, I do it in the night time. So basically, my skincare routine is simple, but it is not simple. So pay attention to the ingredients, pay attention to my technique. That's just what I want you to get out of this video. And at any point you find value in this video, remember to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment, and also share this video to anybody you feel is going to be helpful to. Yeah, that being said, thank you for clicking today's video. I'm happy to see you. So on Mondays, for my healing product, I use just very simple product. The first thing I do obviously is to cleanse my face, that is to wash my face. Now, if you have not seen my morning face care routine, you should go see. That's where I talked about cleansing my face. So the same way I cleanse my face in the morning, it's the same way I cleanse my face at night, because I love to make skincare, my routines, very simple. I don't use a bunch of soaps, a bunch of things. Okay, so now I use Nixoderm. If you're not new to my channel, you know that I have a special love for using Nixoderm for pimples and acne. It really works. Okay, those of you that have used this and say it didn't work, is either you got the fake one, or maybe just something else. Maybe your acne is caused by something else that maybe it doesn't stop. But Nixoderm, trust me, is very, very effective. I'm not telling you it's going to clear it instantly, or maybe in a week, or maybe not even in a month, depending on your acne. That's what I'm saying. But it works. If you apply it and wake up in the morning, you are going to see signs that the pimples that has come out, they are drying up and all of that. So it really helps because it contains specific ingredients for your face. Just like I said, I'm trying to heal the acne on my face. Okay, so this contains benzoic acid, it contains salicylic acid, and it contains sulfur. So if you watch my morning skincare routine, where I really took time to explain ingredients for your face and all of that, healing your face and smoothing your face, I mentioned some specific skincare ingredients, and I personally just chose to use like 3 or 4 of them, with the major one is salicylic acid, because salicylic acid is suitable for sensitive skin. So this particular Nixoderm contains 2.5% salicylic acid, so it's really a good one. Because even some expensive facial serums out there, salicylic facial serums out there, they don't contain up to 2.5% salicylic acid, but this does, and this is just 1,500, and it's going to last you a while. Just take a little. Now, if you use this really stings your face, like, yeah, especially if you have a lot of pimples on your face, you might experience some stings and maybe a little pain. You are going to dilute it with this. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Okay, so just like I said, Monday to Wednesday in my routine, I heal my face. So I take Vaseline, I put it, a little of it. Okay, make sure you are using a little, especially if you know that your skin is reacts to petroleum jelly. If your skin reacts to petroleum jelly, please opt for something else. You can use a normal cream, like maybe if you have any baby cream or something, just use it to dilute it. So this is just so you can dilute the sulfur in this in this Nixoderm, because it is the sulfur that is actually making it to sting, and like you feel a little like something is biting your face. So you're going to mix it like this. This is how I now apply it, and since I started applying it like this, that those like it doesn't really stick my face anymore. And then I'm going to apply this. So basically Monday to Wednesday, this is what I apply on my face at night, and then Thursday to Friday to Saturday I use my honey. Okay, I use honey on my face. So what I do is, after washing my face in the night, I come out, I apply honey to my face, I let it sit. Like, I don't put time to do, because in the evening we all have time, right? So you can just apply it, go and start cooking, watch your film, watch anything, just leave it for your face, give it a bit of time, like 30-40 minutes, give it time to sit on your face, then you rinse it out. Then when I'm done rinsing it out, I follow up with this particular lotion. Now I'm using this lotion on my face because it contains salicylic acid again, and it contains allantoin. Now allantoin helps with skin healing, it helps with anything healing. That's what allantoin does for your face, healing wounds and all of that. So that's why I'm using it on my face. This cream is a body lotion, but it is not so moisturizing. Like, it has the texture of a face cream. So I personally, it works for me. If try it, if it's going to work for you, okay, I can't vouch for you, but it works for me as a face cream. So secondly, I also use this. So the times I don't want to brighten my face, because this also contains brightening effect. So this is like my brightening face cream, and this is my moisturizing face cream. Okay, so the days I'm not using this, I'm using this. But Monday to Wednesday, I'm just using Nixoderm on my face, okay, to heal my pimple spots, the acne spots, the new ones that came out, and all of that. So this my routine might look very basic for you, but trust me, it is not basic, because I took time to pick my ingredients, and every product I have here contains at least 2 or 3 targeted ingredients. Now this one that contains both salicylic acid and benzoic acid, in all those 7-step skincare routine you used to do, or face care routine you used to see, people just use salicylic acid serum and then they use a benzoic acid cream. But here I have 2 of them, 2 in 1. Okay, and then this particular cream here also contains salicylic acid, it contains vitamin C, it contains allantoin, and I think it contains other root extract. I could get different products that contain these things, and it's going to make my skincare bulky, or make your skincare bulky. So when choosing your skincare product, the first thing you need to do is to know the particular skincare ingredients you want in your skincare routine. What is the issue with your skin? What is the issue with your face? Browse the ingredients, or Google the ingredients, or probably watch my videos. My face care routine, I mentioned the ingredients you need for your face. Pick the ones you want, and then go out and get skincare products that contain at least 2, 3, 4 of those ingredients. You don't need to use everything. This one contains 2, this one contains about 3, and it's okay, and it does the job. What am I saying? I just want to take off that pressure of you need to buy a lot of skincare products before you can feel like you are into this whole skincare vibe in this our generation. Don't fall into that pressure. 2 products can do the job for you. It can clear your face, it can give you the smoothest face, it can give you the most glowing skin, radiant skin, and all of that. So basically that's everything I have to do. So I just did my nighttime skincare routine, and it looks like I didn't do anything, but trust me, I used high quality skincare ingredients this night. And from Wednesday I'm going to be using my honey, because honey helps in moisture retention, honey helps to heal acne scars, honey also helps to brighten your acne scars and all of that. So it is very beneficial for your skin. So you can also buy honey mask and all of that, but I choose to use the pure natural organic honey. And also my moisturizer, this is a collagen moisturizer. It contains collagen and it contains snail mucin. So yeah, that's basically everything. Just use my pattern. You mustn't use the exact ingredients, because we might not be having same facial issues or even complexion and all of that. But this my routine. If you are fair in complexion, you can use it. Even a chocolate person can use it, but a dark person should not use this particular rich and pure cream, because this cream is for a fair person. So if you are dark, you need to get a cream that contains salicylic acid, vitamin C, allantoin, but not for fair people. Okay, so if you want recommendations, let me know in the comment section. And that's basically everything about my nighttime routine. Thank you for joining me. So remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.